everyone, it's me again, and today I'm gonna recook CoryxKenshin's recipe fried chicken better than your mama's. By the way, Cory, you're the best. So here are the ingredients. Not like Cory, I use the whole chicken. And then baked beans, mixed vegetable, macaroni, healthy milk, butter, healthy salt. Sorry, there's a price tag there. And black pepper. And don't forget the flour. Do you remember when the part that Cory forgot the flour? Now it's time to wash the chicken. See those hands? That's my auntie's. She helps me doing this. After all the chicken clean, pour some water and boil the chicken. It's a little bit different from Cory's. I boiled the chicken so it won't red when it fried. While waiting the chicken boil, I'm boiling the vegetable. It's boiling. And we have to drain it. You can keep chicken stew water for other cook. After that, wash the chicken again. Pour some salt and pepper as you want. And then pour the flour into the bowl. Now we can mix the chicken to the flour. Pour the oil. Now we're frying the chicken. Wow, the vegetable already cooked. And now I'm gonna cook the beef. Wee, the chicken already cooked. See, the chicken is perfectly cooked. There's no red thing. Now we're boiling the macaroni. Vegetable done, baked beans done, chicken done, macaroni still waiting. That looks so tasty. With the butter as well, gonna be so tasty. Now the macaroni is done. Wow, the milk's ready. I can't wait to dig in. Is it already look like Cory's? I hope so. Now, let's dig in. Okay, let's bean. Another grape. Vegetable grape. That's a chicken. Alright, that. It's so nice. The chicken is crispy. It's amazing. So that's it for today, guys. The chicken was very delicious. Trust me, CoryxKenshin, your recipe is the best. Wow. And also I want to thank my auntie, Uwa Dewi, who was helping me to make this food happen. So please like and subscribe. See you on my next video. Bye!